So mayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Sikihor. For today's video, andito po tayo sa may barangay Tambisan dahil meron po tayong pupuntahan na house for rent sa may barangay Tambisan, Sikihor. Ganito po kalawak yung property. Yung building na po na yan is yung bagong bukas na Mangrove Place Sikihor sa may barangay Tambisan. And then sa unahan lang po yung warehouse ng Nestle dito sa Sikihor. So this is the main house. It's a two-story property, and then two-story building, and then this is your parking area for your motorbike, and then storage room dito sa baba. So akit po tayo ng second floor. Magtatanggal lang tayo ng chinelas. So ang tibay po ng hagdan. And ito po yung view from the balcony. So meron tayong talisay tree and yung mangrove area dito sa barangay Tambisan. And this one is their expansive or spacious na kitchen area. So ito po ang balcony. You have some cabinets, first aid kit. And this is your air conditioned room. Ito, it can accommodate good for two, or gusto niyang palitan ng sarili niyong bed, you can do so. It's already air conditioned. And you have your induction na mga cooker. And then your cabinet. And your ensuite, toilet and bath. Yung bath andun po sa loob. So at least, pwede siya. Ayan. Okay. Closed siya. Your sink. Ayan. And that's for your toothpaste and all. And this is your master's bedroom. And meron na silang available na ref. So we're going down. Again, this is your parking area for your car, for your motorbike. And this is the spacious kitchen. So, kasama po to sa rerentahan nyo. So, yan. One, there's two. So, if you're planning na mag food business, ayan, pwede nyo itong rentahan. No? Ang lawak ng place. Sobrang mahangin. Ayan. Kasi ayun, may sea breeze doon. But protected naman kayo sa malakas na alon at bagyo. Kasi ayan, may mangrove area. Again, ito, ang lawak ng kitchen nyo. So, kung magne-negosyo kayo, food business, perfect to sa inyo. And then aside from that, meron po tayong CR dito sa likod. May tatlo. So this one, first door is toilet. The second one is shower room. Ayan, shower room. And then the third one is another toilet. So dalawang toilet and then one bath and then two sinks and on both sides. So again, this is a property here in Barangay Tambisan, Sikihor. This is not for sale but for rent, monthly rental. For details, please contact this person on Facebook or call them at their official mobile number. So ito po yung ganito po kalawak yung property. Ayan. Pwede po kayong magtayo dito ng mga tents lang and ganun like that. No permanent structures to be constructed. Oo. Pwede lang yung mga tents kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mag-host ng mga parties or events, something like that. Pwede nyo yung gamitin yan. And then may access po tayo sa mangrove area. Ayan. Doon. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? So again, for those who are interested to rent this property, please message sa Facebook nito or call the official mobile number. So hanggang sa susunod na Seek Her property for rent or for sale, ayo ayo!